a beacon of high-end opulence and state-of-the-art engineering. This isn't just a car, it's a moving masterpiece, synonymous with status and unparalleled in comfort. The heart of this majestic beast remains its potent twin-turbo 6.75-liter V12 engine. In the upcoming 2025 model, we anticipate not just continuity in its impressive 563 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, but also refinements that enhance its already peerless smooth performance. Every surge of power from this engine is a whisper, promising effortless acceleration and a glide-like ride quality that only a Rolls-Royce can provide. Enter the realm of the Black Badge Cullinan, the darker, more assertive sibling in the family. Here, power isn't just increased to 592 horsepower, it's a complete redefinition of the driving experience. Expect enhanced dynamics, with a transmission and suspension tuned for those who dare to command the road with a touch more audacity. The Black Badge isn't just a car, it's a statement, a narrative of boldness, and an emblem of luxury that doesn't just meet expectations but dictates them. Inside, the Cullinan transforms into a sanctuary of extraordinary detail. The 2025 model aims to integrate advanced technological upgrades without disturbing the timeless elegance of its interior. Imagine interactive displays seamlessly integrated into the surfaces, cloaked behind exquisite wood veneers that reveal themselves only when summoned. The customization possibilities are endless, with bespoke elements that offer patrons the ability to embed personal motifs, heraldry, or even artisan embroidery into the upholstery, making each Cullinan not just built but intricately crafted for its owner. The speculative enhancements extend to user experience, with anticipatory technologies that adjust the vehicle's settings as it recognizes the approach of its driver. Ambient lighting, climate control, and even seat adjustments are tailored in real time, ensuring that the cabin environment is always poised to offer the pinnacle of comfort. As we peel back the layers of potential that envelope this upcoming marvel, it's clear that Rolls-Royce is not just adapting to the era of modern luxury, but reimagining it. Every feature and finish is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence, underpinned by a heritage of crafting vehicles that aren't just driven but experienced. Before we wrap up this glimpse into the future, let's not forget that every detail discussed today springs from the confluence of informed predictions, insider leaks, and expert analysis. This tapestry of information sets the stage for what promises to be another iconic chapter in the storied legacy of Rolls-Royce. And while we dream about the roads we'll conquer in the opulent embrace of the Cullinan, why not explore another dimension of automotive innovation? Dive into our feature on the BMW M135 iX Drive, where performance meets precision in a thrilling compact package. Stay tuned, subscribe, and join us as we continue to unveil the future, one extraordinary vehicle at a time.